This amazing Riverchase front swing floor plan from First Texas Homes is showcased in the brand new community of Wellspring Estates located in Salina, Texas. This Riverchase model floor plan comes with 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and 2 additional powder rooms, with a front entry 3-car garage and an expansive home automation system throughout that offers 4,223 square feet of luxury to suit your family's needs. This beautiful home offers stunning curb appeal with custom details, including brick and custom stone masonry exterior with an extended covered front porch. As you make your way through the beautiful custom 8-foot double door in the foyer, you'll be amazed by the grandness of the home's 19-foot ceilings. Right of the foyer, you'll find an elegant formal dining room with tray ceiling, double crown molding, and beautiful large windows, perfect for special occasions. Pass through the French doors into the private study, featuring tray ceiling, double crown molding, ceiling fan, shaker-style wainscot, large closet, and access to one of the powder rooms. The California kitchen features a massive center island with marble quartz countertops, upgraded 54-inch shaker-style cabinets with upper glass doors, upper and lower cabinet accent lighting, toe kick lighting, built-in stainless steel double oven, a built-in microwave, a 5-burner gas range with decorative backsplash and windows, butler's pantry, and a deep walk-in pantry with a custom glass door. The adjacent breakfast nook is bathed in natural light and flows seamlessly into the family room, where you'll find a beautiful curved staircase with box newel post and iron rod spindles, large beautiful windows, and a custom feature wall including shaker-style wainscoting wood trim and a custom tile fireplace with custom mantle. The master suite is loaded with custom features like tray ceiling, double crown molding, and a separate sitting area with bay windows bathed in an abundance of natural light. Escape to the luxurious master bath with high dual vanities with makeup area, toe kick lighting, relaxed garden tub, extended walk-in shower, with seating and custom tiling, and a large master closet. Just up the curved staircase, you'll find a huge closed-in game room with double doors, tray ceiling, double crown molding, ceiling fan, large bay windows, surround sound wiring, and plenty of space for the kids to hang out with their friends. Right outside the game room is a dry bar with custom tiling and the second powder room. The media room features a boxed-out ceiling with mood lighting, a built-in wet bar with custom cabinets and toe kick lighting. It's perfect for watching the latest box office hits. The second floor also features an ensuite bedroom with its own full bath, and 2 additional spacious secondary bedrooms with ceiling fans, spacious closets, and a Jack and Jill bathroom. This Riverchase model floor plan also features a covered patio with an outdoor ceiling fan, stereo speaker wiring, and a huge backyard with plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. This magnificent Riverchase front swing floor plan is featured in our newest First Texas community, Wellspring Estates in Salina, Texas. It's zoned for Prosper ISD and does not have any PID or MUD taxes. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about building the Riverchase front swing floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you'll receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are so confident in our low rates, if we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.